In this video, I am going to talk about productivity and the process for designers. So a lot of designers I have seen in their mid-level career or in the beginner, the problem or differentiating point where the pro-level designers and the mediocre designers actually differentiate is the process and the productivity. So whenever you are designing or you are working in an agency or you are working with a developer, you have to develop or design your process that you can easily design or swiftly design, come to the ideas, then go to the final design, and then you can forward that design or hand off that design to your developers. So this whole process you have to develop and design your process. Once you know and learned, you are already learned the design, you need to work on your design process. So this is really important step. So make sure if you are in your beginner or the mediocre level career or mid-level career designer, you have to start working on your process like design systems. Then we have handoff tools, for example Zeppelin and other tools. You have to learn that Figma, how your designers or developers they actually name the layers. For example, your developers might name different items or different colors differently than you are using. So try to minimize that difference. Try to talk to your developers, your team managers or members or whoever is involved in that project, that what are the differences in their concepts or their mindset and your mindset regarding that same product. So if you are designing a website, you should have a template where you have all the type scales, different color schemes laid out already. You just change them, alter them, and start designing on another project. So this is my short tip and about your design process. So start building your design process. You can learn how to design or create your first design system in Figma by clicking on the link below. I have a full-fledged 5-hour design class about creating your design systems in Figma. So I hope to see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.